How powerful is Israel? Capital, Jerusalem. Global rank, 18. Defense budget, $24,300,000,000 US dollars. Total population, 8,914,885. Army personnel, 200,000. Air Force personnel, 89,000. Navy personnel, 20,000. Tanks, 2,200. Self-Propelled Artillery, 650. Vehicles, 56,290. Towed artillery, 300. Rocket artillery, 300. Total aircrafts, 601. Fighters aircraft, 241. Attack aircraft, 32. Transports aircraft, 15. Trainers aircraft, 153. Total helicopters, 126. Attack helicopter, 48. Total naval assets, 67. Corvettes, 7. Submarines, 5. Patrol vessels, 45.